Ching 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 ching. Okay, good morning guys, and let's adjust the camera. Time check, it's 9:20 in the morning. Kakagising ko lang. And look at this. Good morning.
Morning.
How's your sleep?
Okay naman.
Nice, weather. Bongga guys, kasi kami kagabi is parang alas 3 na ata ng madaling araw kami natulog. Kasi nga diba galing kami sa labas. Tapos kung ano-ano pang mga pinagagawa namin. Anyway, magpalit tayong upuan, per favor, kasi hindi dito yung laptop. Please, thank you. Babasa talaga siya. Pakita natin yung binabasa mo. Binabasa niya yung Pratiche Quotidiane di Felicita. Parang exercises for to be happy, parang ganun, every day. Anyway, so I'm showing you what we are eating now. Buongiorno, buongiorno signora.
Tutto bene?
Tutto bene, grazie. Dormito bene.
Bella macchina.
Grazie. And actually, mabait yung mabait yung lola nyo naman, di ba? Very accommodating naman siya talaga.
Tapos ang sexy ni madam.
Oh yes. Tapos social na matanda. Anyway, ayun nga. Tsaka ang gusto ko, very accommodating siya. Ano kayang bundok to? We have to ask Alessandro anong bundok to nasa harapan natin. So guys, kain muna tayo. Diyan muna kayo, kakain lang kami. Si Mayora at saka si Alessandro, parang, are they still sleeping? I think they're still sleeping. This is actually their bedroom. Ito. Ito yung bedroom nila. Kalampagin kaya natin from here. Sampalin tayo ni Mayora mamaya.
Last day. Pag last day yun, kalampagin natin. Visitin natin sila ng bonggang-bongga.
O sige, gawin natin yun sa last.
Ipa-prank natin. Yeah.
Isha prank.
Prank.
Hindi ko alam kung anong pipiliin kong brioche dito. Promise. Nakakatawa kasi ang lalaki. Let's see. I like this one better. So, tas kuha tayo ng gusto ko ito, Nutella. Wait, let me show you. They have Nutella. They have yung mga marmelada or jams. We have peach, we have strawberry, but I'd go for Nutella kasi favorite, alam mo na, Nutella. Sarap ng hangin dito guys, as in kahit na alas 9:30 na, ang sarap rin ng hangin kasi syempre siguro nasa bundok na tayo. Tapos parang bukas ata kami pupunta ng dagat. Gusto ko itong bakasyon na to, promise, kasi alam mo yung may dagat tsaka may bundok, dami namin nagagawa. Tapos may city, kasi nag-city kami nung isang araw sa Florence. Mayroon pang outlet, di ba? Nakakatawa. Usually, pagkasama namin si Raf, ganito talaga kami magbakasyon. We see to it na hindi naman sa madami kami pinupuntahan, but we always enjoy yung lahat ng mga pwede namin gawin. Like, pwede kami mag-beach, or pwede kami mag-bundok, or pwede kami Any activity. Parang gusto pa nga nilang magkayak sa isang river dito na very famous. That's the cleanest river all over Europe. Parang gano'n. Let's see kung makararating natin sa isang araw. Sana lang, no? So guys, it's another eating time for us. We don't do anything but to sleep, eat, and have right? Okay.
Ay, kasya ka.
Ay! What's that? RAC. I think that's RAC.
No? Yes.
So guys, this is another day and we have to go to the car
Okay,
because you know that we're in the mountains. In the mountain.
to the mountain.
So we're eating sushi today, right? Because all of us, that's our common denominator. We love sushi and sashimi as well. This is the outfit for today. OOTD. And Mark's wearing just a shirt and shorts and shoes. And I have my chuhin outfit of the day. You know me, I am a chuhin. You can also call me Tito PJ. You don't call me Kuya na. You can call me Tito PJ already because I'm already like Tito, no? Yung chuhin mong, yung mga chuhin mong ganyan. What are you doing?
Tatago ka kasi ng taro ka dyan.
Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo ba kaya?
Pero sana makauwi tayo ng Milan, no? That's the restaurant, guys.
Ay, park there? No, maghanap ka na ng parking na sa area. Siguro man.
Yes, guys, we're here to eat sushi. Maginit de Belen dito eh.
You can put French.
Ako na naman, ikaw yung ano
He's
lang.
the one to order. Do you know how to order?
I don't know how to order.
I think you should move here.
Maybe.
Yeah, so... Guys, nagkapag-change seats ako kasi hindi mo na ako marunong magpipindot din sa kineme nila. O, ayan, ganyan.
Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buko.
Okay guys, so busog na busog kami. Sobrang bundat yung tiyan ko. And we're here again. That's the castle. Hindi naman na-realize na yung palang dinadaanan namin every time is a castle. Castle pala siya. Look at that castle, guys. So, ibig sabihin, napakatagal na ng mga... Imagine may mga ano na dito sa lugar na to. Established na yung mga castle na ganito that time. Oh my God, guys, wala kaming susi.
Hindi kayo nasa sasakyan? Siguro.
Diyos ko.
Hindi, pero binigay nga.
Na-stress ka agad, no? Namula ka ng agad ng very, very light Bex. Na-stress na po si Ralph.
Hindi,
Na-stress na siya ng very, very light. Kasi akala namin wala kaming suso. alam niyo, syempre, ang init-init ng pinaglakaran namin. Tapos babalik ulit ng susi. Imagine. Can you imagine? Okay, so... Alam nyo guys, yung buhay namin, kain-tulog. Kaloka. Tayo na nga ang kain-tulog, promise. Okay, so guys, thank you for joining our trip today. And hindi ko alam yung mga activities na gagawin natin. Samahan nyo na lang kami. See you next time.